horrible, horrible piping job. Fresh glue, level. About to make that glue connect. That's not connected yet. This is prior to the connection to the non-pressure. This was the before, right here, keyed in, going to, here's the, going to be that. So I'll glue this joint right here, and we'll have 2 more steps left. Second to the last step is glue this onto there. To the last step, glue this in the upright position at the end of this. Glue connect will be up right there. And this 90 will be my last glue connect. I'll glue them at the same time. I'll get my plate in this line right here. Finished product. Last glue connect. First glue connect with the flow span. So this was the leak right here, and this is how the jacked up thing was piped into here, and this is how it should have been from the very beginning. So you can clearly see the before and after.